Here.
Huh?
Here.
Huh?
There you go. There are three parts. External ear, this is also called pinna. This is the lobe of the ear. Everybody, let me go. Why don't you come that way so that, yeah, I'm sorry. Another time. You cannot see, come here, come this way.
I'm gonna switch spots with you.
Everybody should, you cannot, this is not transparent, so. Look here, this is the external auditory meatus, or ear canal. This is the region. Oh, if you put Q-tip, oh, it feels so good, isn't it?
Oh, no.
No.
Oh.
You should not, I mean, no thinner than your elbow should be inserted. Okay?
I remember that.
You remember that. And then it will hit the eardrum. Here is the eardrum, or the tympanum, or the tympanic membrane. To the tympanic membrane, you will see that this is the middle ear chamber here, and there are three. Oh, this was detached, so it has been
Broken.
some scotch tape is used. I should have.
Glued it?
If it happened to me, or if I saw that one first, I would have crazy glued that, or super glue. Okay, these three pieces of bone, these are the remnants of the jaw bones in evolutionary process. I mean, if you look at the embryology, if you follow the fetal development of ear, three bones of the lower jaw are incorporated into the chamber as middle ear ossicles. They relay the sound to the round window of the vestibule. This is called the vestibule of the internal ear. This is called the cochlea, snail-like. So, what happens, you have to identify this. This is called malleus, this is called incus, and this is called stapes. This one. Stapes looks like a stirrup. It's also known as stirrup in English. The incus, the English term for incus is anvil. And for malleus is hammer. It looks like a hammer. But you are supposed to know as malleus, incus, and stapes. And these are the semicircular canals. Now, what happens? This is in a bony encasing called bony labyrinth, and it has membranous part called membranous labyrinth. So I'm going to blow this up into, say, about 10 times or more, like 10 times, and you have this here. And look at this. There are two windows. One is called round window on the vestibule. This is called vestibule. You get that? It's bony. These are called semicircular canals. So this is called bony labyrinth, and this is membranous labyrinth, membrane. In between membranous labyrinth and bony labyrinth, there is a fluid called perilymph, which is also one of the body fluids. Okay? And inside the membranous labyrinth, in semicircular canal inside, is the lymph called endolymph, and this is the endolymphatic sac. Okay? Endolymphatic sac. It's the reservoir of endolymph. So what is the function of endolymph? What is the function of this part of the internal ear or inner ear? Balance.
Yeah.
It's for balance. Okay? Each semicircular canal, the superior, the anterior, lateral, and posterior, okay? And each one has a swollen end called ampulla. This is ampulla of this one. Here is the ampulla of this semicircular canal, and another is this. And you can see that nerves come off from there. This is vestibule. When you remove the bone part, you see two chambers. One is called the utricle, this is the utricle, and this is the saccule. So there are receptors here in this ampulla. So when we lose balance, endolymph flows in there. And that stimulates those receptors. And that send through the ampullar nerve here to the vestibular nerve here. These two, vestibular nerve and cochlear nerve, they form the vestibular cochlear nerve here. This is the cochlear nerve, this is the vestibular nerve. Both, they form the vestibular cochlear or auditory nerve. Okay? And this internal, this part of the internal ear, here is the tube, cochlear tube. And this is cochlea. Inside the cochlea are the hair cells. And those cells are meant for hearing. Hair, like hair. I cannot show, I don't have much left. Only a few. Yeah? Then, what? Okay, this is cochlea. The nerve that comes from the cochlea is called the cochlear nerve, and the nerve comes from the vestibule, ultimately here. This is called the vestibular ganglion. Vestibular ganglion. May not be in your word bank, but it is it? Now it is? Okay, then vestibular ganglion. This is vestibular cochlear nerve. You should know this. This is the utricle. This is the saccule. Where they're located? Inside the vestibule. If this is pinned, it's called vestibule. If this is pinned here, meaning vestibule. If this is pinned, cochlea. If this is pinned, semicircular canal. Okay? And here you see the round window. What is attached here? The stapes. Oh no. The oval window, not round window, oval window. The stapes. Okay? That's all, folks.